Our walk begins at Monk's Bar, which is the largest and tallest of the gatehouses in York's city walls. Built in the early 14th century, it features a functioning portcullis and murder holes. It is also the location of the Richard III Museum.
Leaving Monk's Bar behind, we head towards the Minster, which is the biggest cathedral in Northern Europe. It is a stunning example of Gothic architecture. Construction was completed in 1470, having taken over 250 years to complete.
Behind the cathedral, you can enter an oasis of calm in the gardens of the Treasurer's House. Run by the National Trust, the gardens are free for all to enjoy. With some amazing views of the Minster, this is the perfect place to escape the crowds and sit and enjoy the views in peace and quiet. If you have time, the house is also worth a visit.
Continuing our journey, we walk along some of the famous historic streets of York, towards the Shambles, known for its exceptionally preserved medieval architecture with overhanging timber-framed buildings.
Often, queues form outside the Harry Potter and Ghost shops. This is where we prove that it is a small world by bumping into my nephew Lee and his wife as we pass the queue at the Ghost shop.
Just off the street you will find the market with an incredible range of stores as well as a wide selection of street food.
The Shambles was once a bustling street of butchers. It is now a great place to see independent shops, boutiques and cafes. This is always a popular tourist destination and believed to be the inspiration for Harry Potter's Diagon Alley.
Crossing over, we enter Fossgate and take time out to visit the Merchants' Hall, a stunning 600-year-old timber frame building. This is another oasis of calm and a chance to escape the crowds. You can enjoy a coffee or cake in its cafe and sit and relax whilst the bustle of the city continues outside its walls.
Crossing the River Foss, we pass All Saints Church as we reach our destination of Walmgate Bar.
Walmgate Bar is the most complete of the four main medieval gateways to the city. Its oldest part is a 12th century stone archway. It was burned by rebels in 1489 and battered by cannon during the siege of 1644.
I really enjoyed our day in York.
Yeah, it was fantastic, wasn't it?
It was.
And we finished at the Treasurer's House and had a lovely coffee, and it's a lovely quiet place to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.